Hi, I'm Roya, and I started this channel to share with you what I've learned from over a decade of yoga. As your typical person with a busy life and a demanding job, I know firsthand how hard it can be to fit in a full 60-minute yoga class. Well, the good news is you can access all of the same benefits of yoga in just 10 to 20 minutes a day. My goal is to share with you short doses of accessible yoga sequences so that you can get both your body and your mind feeling great. Today's yoga class is going to be a short, gentle morning wake-up yoga sequence that you can do any day to wake your body up from a long night of sleep. We'll start laying down. Just let your arms and your legs relax, as if you just rolled out of bed. Maybe you did just roll out of bed. Take a few deep breaths here to land on your mat. Inhale, sweep your arms above your head. Interlace your hands and flip your palms, pushing your palms away from you. Simultaneously stretch your legs long in the opposite direction. Get a nice full body stretch here. Feel your ribs flare, and then push them down into the mat. Good, release and hug your knees into your chest. Extend your left leg long, hugging your right knee in. Go ahead and point and flex your foot here. And then move your ankle in circles one direction. And let's rotate them the opposite direction. Extend your right foot up, reaching towards the ceiling. Interlace your hands somewhere along your thigh that feels good. Keep your knee bent here. And reach your heel up to the sky. Flex your toes back towards your face. Feel that stretch in your calf and your hamstring. Close your eyes, take some deep breaths, and just sink into this stretch. Good, hug your knee back into your chest. This time, holding onto your knee, open your knee out to the right. Still holding onto your knee. We're stopping wherever you feel a nice sensation in your hip. Take a few deep breaths here. Draw that knee back up to center, and this time draw it across your body, coming into a spinal twist. Extend your right arm out to the right and just gaze up. Close your eyes. Keep this really gentle as you're just waking up. Release back to center. Hug both knees in again. Switch, extending your right knee out, hugging your left knee in. Start by pointing and flexing our left foot. Then rotate your ankle in one direction. And switch, rotating the opposite direction. Extend that foot back up to the sky, grabbing your leg behind your thigh, or wherever feels good. Keeping a generous bend in that knee, flexing your toes back towards your face, stretching that foot up to the ceiling. Keep your right foot strong on the mat. And take some deep breaths, relaxing into the stretch every exhale. Hug that knee back in, and let's open the hip now out to the side. Holding on to your left knee. Right arm just relaxes at your side. Bring the knee back up to center and then across your body into a gentle spinal twist. Extending your left arm out, keeping your gaze soft towards the ceiling. Inhale back up to center, hugging both knees into the chest again. Give yourself a big hug and start rotating your knees in big circles, massaging your hips and spine. Rotate and go the other direction. Split your knees to your elbows and rotate your knees in opposite directions. And then switch the other direction. Good, hug your knees in again. This time, let's rock and roll up and down the spine. Doing this a few times. On your third or fourth rock, land in a seat. Good. Roll over onto hands and knees, tabletop position. Let's move through some cat and cow. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest, roll your shoulder blades down your back. Look forward. Exhale, tuck your tailbone, round your spine. Cat. Inhale, reverse into cow. And exhale, cat. Move through a few cycles of these at your own pace. I find cat and cows to be one of the best ways to wake up the spine in the morning. Good, come back to neutral at a tabletop position. Extend your right foot back and your toes on the mat. Extend your left hand forward like you're trying to shake someone's hand in front of you. Inhale here, pull your belly to your spine. And exhale, lift your right foot off of the mat into a bird dog. Hold here for a few breaths. We'll get a little gentle core and muscle activation here to wake up. Good. Exhale, release your hand and your knee back to the mat. Exhale your left foot back. Inhale your right arm forward like you're going to shake someone's hand. Take a minute to connect to your core. And exhale, lift your back foot up, reaching long, forward with your hand and back with your foot. Good, release back to the mat. Tuck your toes under. Gently push your hips back up to the sky into a downward facing dog. Walk out your feet. That feels nice. Feel a nice engagement through your shoulders in your arms. Roll your biceps towards your ears. Feel the strength in this pose. Look forward to your hands and gently walk your feet up to the top of your mat. Keeping your feet's hips distance or wider. Gently fold down into a ragdoll. Grab your opposite elbows and hang and sway your head. Release your hands to the ground. Put a generous bend in your knee. Round your back and slowly roll up to standing. Good. Bring your feet wide to the edges of your mat, pointing your feet out towards the corners of your mat. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, lower down through a yogi squat. All the way down as far as your butt can go. Pause in this squat for a second, and then release your hips to the ground. Coming to a nice seated position. Close your eyes here. Roll your shoulders up and down your back. Feel how different you feel in your body and your mind. Ready to tackle the day ahead. Thanks so much for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing to my channel to see more videos like this. I release new ones weekly. Have a great day.